So yesterday I posted this tweet on the Twitter, and this entire video I created in 20 minutes or so. And from my standard, this goes like kind of viral. I got I think so. And most important, 335 bookmark. And couple of people ask me how exactly you have done it. And I was like, this is simple. Like you just give a prompt. But that's not that simple. All of this is created using a free. Whenever I say free, it simply means cloud subscription. Nothing is because HyperFrame is open source, so it's kind of free. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make it. And the important thing is this frame.md. Frame.md is a file that is super important, that basically set the tone of the video, color of the video, and what kind of the video you're going to. Don't mention the motion. That is the one important thing. But you post about what is the color, what is the themes, and how the font you're going to use. And so someone posted on Reddit, they spent a $13 when they initially posted. This is what they posted, like my open source project to build a E2E, and then they use a Google Omni model to create this. And I'm like, you don't need to pay that much. So what I have done is I just create a one screenshot of this dot and then ask Claude to build this frame.md. Don't worry, I will just put this frame.md on the GitHub and then share with them. It have all the colors, then what kind of video it is, and, then it goes about the brand adoption, like what kind of the. So it's more or less revolve around font color. You can also like paste your designer.md file and you will get your frame.md file. So this is what they have, and you can even read their existing one. So for example, you want to create something video like let's say create one folder, new, and create video using this prompt. I already wrote the. So we are creating a faceless video, explainer video, and HyperFrame already has a skill for it. So there, HyperFrames GitHub. So if you see this faceless explainer, one thing with this HyperFrame or Claude thing, if you directly say here /faceless explainer, then it does not create a very good pane. I see a lot of people do directly with it. It does not do a good job of it. So first, we are simply going to make a HyperFrame faceless video in the same handwritten, hand-drawn whiteboard style, and then we define the style. I just want to highlight one more thing. I am not a video. If you understand video technically, you can create a much better video than this. But I am not a good video creator. My day-to-day job is a programming, so I'm good at that. Even this prompt, I created using a Claude. So I asked Claude to like, what is a good prompt for this? So they give me. And now you have to write a topic. So topic that we want to cover is, what is a good topic? Let's take Israel versus Iran war. Read the frame. So now we have to reference the frame.md file that we created. This is a faceless explainer video that we have to create with a hand-drawn whiteboard. What is the whiteboard? Like cream board, everything is in ink, SVG. SVG is pretty important. Otherwise, it will be act as an image, like a static image, and then one frame image come, then the second frame image come, and the third frame. That's why this SVG line art is super important. Then the caveat, the marker headlines, Patrick hand for the red marker. Red marker is like, if you go in that further down the line video, you will see to highlight the stuff, I use a red. So the third color is this red marker thing, even to highlight it or put any text, specific text or anything. Circles, arrows, embassy. So mention about the camera zoom and all. You see something is going zoom out, zoom in, all of that also. So I eventually figured out this video looks pretty good when the camera zoom in, zoom out also works, or pan there. No gradient, we don't, no photos, no bouncy entrance, no slide. So front the audio part, we are using this local Kokoro TTS. This is the open source model and works pretty well for me. And this is free. More important, this is the free one. Either you can use the 11 labs also, just use the 11 labs API key and then it will automatically figure it out. And then we just want like 60 to 90 second video, and you can increase the time if you want, but 50 to 90 and then cut to 8 to 10 frames. That is more than it is reading from my what is HyperFrame folder, and that's claude.md file. So what I have done is like I put all the skills here, what each skills do. If you read this file, sorry, this here, this creation, right? What is each everything is do. Claude automatically figure out which skill need to be there. Most of the time, Claude not able to figure out which to take, and they never goes to. If you say if it is an installed skill, sometimes they miss it. And this is interesting thing with that is if you have a one folder. So I have this one folder, affiliate underscore links. I create all the videos in this. So as I improved each video, it automatically from the next one it automatically take that, and that's a super jump from the starting from the scratch thing. So it's better. So if you see HyperFrames, so it's using the HyperFrames skill to route correctly and all of that. Then it use the correct workflow is the faceless explainer. It automatically picking that. Okay, so now it created the video, and if you see the video is here in the rendered one, we will see that, and it's a 1 minute 2 second or 3 second is okay, because earlier we asked for 60 to 90 second, and it took around like 10 minutes or something, but actually it took I think around 7 to 8 minutes. Oh, I think this one it took 25 to 25 minutes. So this is the video it created. So video looks good. If you want to edit it, you can edit.
Two nations, 1,000 miles apart, no shared border. So how did Israel and Iran become such fierce enemies? Rewind to before 1979. Back then, Iran and Israel were quiet partners, trading oil and sharing intelligence. Then came Iran's Islamic Revolution. The monarchy fell, and the new leadership branded Israel an enemy. For decades, they never fought face to face. Instead, a shadow war waged.
Just to recap everything, frame.md is your first thing that you will do to make sure your coloring and font is correct, especially for these faceless videos. This is super. Second is this prompt to generate the give the video to Claude, or take a one frame screenshot and give it to the Claude to understand it. So that is super. And also the correct term you use. So if you see the correct term that we have used is this one: whiteboard, stage, cream board, everything. Like this highlighted one is super important. Don't use that slash faceless directly in that. Let Claude use it internally, because Claude send it with the proper prompt and because Claude have understanding of the all these skills and what they actually required and everything. You don't need to brainstorm on that. That's it for this video. If you have any question, any doubt, anything, do let me know. And also this video I'm going to edit. So HyperFrame is not just to create a video, it's for editing, and editing is the much better part rather than the creating the video. So see you next.